After I learned this recipe, I never prepare cabbage another way. Let's start by cutting one cabbage, just like this. I'm gonna take off this part and reserve it because we're gonna use it later. Let's cut it like this, and here I have a huge. Then let's add one diced onion on top of everything. Guys, prepare this recipe at home and I'm sure everyone will love it. This recipe is perfect for lunch or dinner. Everyone will love this recipe. Here at home is a huge success. Now let's add one diced tomato. Just like this. And let's also add one diced yellow bell pepper. And look how colorful our recipe is already. I love this kind of recipe. It's easy to make and the result is incredible. Let's spread it like this and let's prepare our special sauce. I'm gonna start by adding 4 whole eggs in a bowl, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. If you don't like olive oil, you can add oil. Let's beat everything until all these ingredients are well combined. And let's add 1 cup of wheat flour. Let's incorporate everything until it's like this. And then let's add 2 cups of whole milk. And also fine herbs to taste. Now we just have to incorporate everything and our special sauce is ready. Now let's pour this special sauce on top of all the vegetables, just like this. And finally, let's add grated mozzarella cheese. The quantity is to taste. After this done, we just have to put it in the oven. I'm gonna put it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. After this time, look how beautiful this recipe is. This recipe is incredible. I always make it at home. Now I'm gonna serve a piece of this amazing vegetable pie. And now we just have to enjoy it. Thank you for watching our videos and following our recipes. It's a pleasure having you all here with us. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and I see you in the next one. Bye bye!